Hello friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we discuss about how to add video in PowerPoint slides. Now let's start the topic. The very first step is open the PowerPoint, then click on Insert, click on Clip Art. Here you can search anything which you want in your presentation. Right computer, then click on Go. You can see here are multiple pictures. You can select any one of them. I choose this one. You can see picture appears on the slides. Then from that button you can resize your picture. I make it larger. You can see here. Then click on Insert. You can see here is the option Video. Click on that. There is the option Video from File, Video from Website. It's online option. I click on Video from File. Then choose a video from here which you want to insert your presentation. Then click on Insert. It takes a time. You can see video is inserted. Now I want to fit the video in the clip. Then you can resize your video. You can see here. I resize this video according to the computer screen. Then click on Animations. Here is the option Animation Pane. Then click on that cursor, drop down menu. And here is the option Effect Options. Click on that. Then click on Timing. Here is the option Start and the drop down menu. You can see here are multiple options to run your video in the slides. You can choose according to your options. I click on Read Previous. Then click on OK. Now my settings are done. Now we will see. Hello friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we talk about PowerPoint. In this video, the content will cover hyperlinks, then tables, charts, slide themes, slide transitions, rearrange slides, preview presentations, view outline. So friends, I hope you learned a lot of things from this video. If you like this video, then share this video and subscribe my channel TechCat. Thank you.